So today we'll be discussing on Facebook marketing. Facebook is the world's largest social media platform, and most of the brands are using Facebook for their promotion. Before we move on to see how these platforms are being used, we have to understand the algorithm behind the media social media platform, that is Facebook. By the algorithm, we mean how the internal working of Facebook software is being created, and how it understands what the user will like, how the user has to be shown the content and all. So let us see the topics in which will be covered in under Facebook marketing. So the topics will be introduction to Facebook. First, we'll see the history of Facebook. Then we'll try to understand the Facebook algorithm. Then we'll move on to Facebook profile versus Facebook pages. Then there are a lot of more topics that will be coming. Why brand needs Facebook pages, following versus liking a Facebook page roles, how to create a Facebook page, content format, scheduling posts, Facebook photos, Facebook videos and events, educational and conversational content on Facebook. Then we'll come to see Facebook links and instant articles and do's and don'ts for the content creation. So these are some of the very important topics which will be covered under Facebook marketing. So let us see all these one by one. First of all, we'll see how the Facebook evolved. So Facebook evolved in 2004. A Harvard graduate created a website. This website's sole purpose was to allow students of the university to rate their female batchmates. And this website has now 1.9 billion users worldwide, and this is Facebook. So it started in 2004 with a very small website wherein it was a college project actually. And the project was to rate the female batchmates, and this is how it evolved. This was the very basic. Then if you are wondering how a rating website turned out the largest social media platform in the world, you should definitely check out a movie called The Social Network. If you will see this movie, The Social Network, you'll understand how Facebook has evolved over a period of time. This is very interesting movie. You can download it free from many of the online sites, and that will be very interesting also to understand the social networks. In a nutshell, Facebook has started only for Harvard University students, but now it's famous more than a social media platform. When it launched in 2004, there was two very famous social media platform at that time, very popular among young and everyone, Orkut and Yahoo Messenger. They were formidable social media platforms in those days, and since it was relatively young platform, so it attracted young segments of the audience from Orkut and Yahoo Messenger. Till 2013, Facebook was only famous among youngsters. They used to update their relationship status, some party pictures, and then they used to tag friends to show those photos. But of these, because of these very new features, Orkut and Yahoo Messenger of that time almost is now out of the market. Facebook became so popular that almost these social media no more exist, you can say. So Facebook was growing in popularity, and then the new platform was coming up, Instagram and Snapchat. So Facebook has to cope up with the challenges that was coming up from two very new platforms, Instagram and Snapchat. Instagram and Snapchat are new to the world. They are very photogenic to nature. they attracted the attention of Generation Y and Generation Z. So the young population were attracted towards this because of the photogenic nature of these new platforms. Because of that, a major migration to a place of Generation Y and Z on that particular platform. So many people started moving on Instagram and Snapchat. So because of these movement, Generation X could now focus on one particular platform, which was Facebook. Therefore, Facebook is a combination of Generation X and Generation Y. Now we'll try to understand the Facebook algorithm. Now, this was the history of the Facebook, how Facebook has evolved, what were the initial challenges. So if we want to know about Facebook, it has started as a university project in 2004. The Harvard graduate created a website to rate the female batchmates. Thereafter, it became popular, and then it created some new things which was not available at that time in other social media like Orkut and Yahoo Messenger. It became popular, and many young people started using it. Then the challenges came to Facebook from Instagram and Snapchat, and many new people are now on Instagram and Snapchat. So Facebook has still a very large number of members, users, and that is why many brands are using Facebook for their promotion. Now we have to understand how the algorithm behind the success of the Facebook is working. So Facebook algorithm, if we want to understand what is Facebook algorithm, so brands use Facebook day in and day out to create visibility, enhance brand awareness, create a customer base, and many things else. For you to do something similar, you need to understand how it works. So Facebook has its own algorithm. The name of this algorithm is EdgeRank. This is the name of the Facebook algorithm, EdgeRank. So algorithm, what is algorithm? It is a set of rules and regulations guiding the content in the Facebook news feed. So let's say you are a user who is a sports enthusiast. So you love watching football and cricket regularly. So Facebook will understand your behavior depending on the pictures you like, the things that you comment on, and the videos that you see, and the things that you save. So these are the things which Facebook on the background is noting. What are those? Pictures which we like, things that we comment on, the videos that we see, and what we save. Depending on these features, Facebook tries to populate our feed with more content, more similar contents. So this is not just applicable only to a particular segment or a particular niche. It is for anything. You could be a musical background or marketing background or entrepreneur background. You could be loving comedy videos or cooking videos or work of life. Facebook populates or feeding, depending on the set of rules called the algorithm. So back in those days when Facebook was very new, it was utilized by users in chronological in nature. That means if I uploaded a picture 4 hours ago and you are my friend, so you will see that picture first and everything else at a later stage. But then came Twitter. Twitter started coming out with a different format of chronology, which was reverse chronology in nature. That means if you upload a picture, that other will be able to see that picture in real time. That was the threat from the Twitter. So Facebook understood that it needs to update the algorithm called EdgeRank in a way that it is going to be very beneficial for them to gather more business so that users can spend more time looking out for their favorite content. But at that time, not only one factor helps the algorithm work. There are 4 very important conditions or attributes of the Facebook algorithm. Those are the inventory or the content format, the signal, the prediction, and the score. So we have to understand these 4 important parameters behind the success of Facebook. And what are those? The inventory, the signal, the prediction, and the score. So let us see one by one. What is inventory? Inventory is basically the content format. Inventory is nothing but the format of content that we use for uploading. Facebook uploads multiple formats like pictures, videos, 3D images, etc. Depending on what kind of content we are uploading, Facebook will push it to certain segment of the audience that is in a position to consume that content. Suppose I upload a video. So Facebook uh, will forward this or push it to those people who has a better internet connectivity so that they can watch the videos properly. And if I upload a normal, a small size image, it will be pushed to a different category where more people can consume that. So what Facebook wants that whatever we are uploading, that should reach to maximum people and to those people who are interested in that particular content. And the content can be consumed also. So this is the first thing. The content of what is being uploaded to Facebook, the algorithm behind the Facebook learns and tries to keep a note of the things that we are uploading. For example, if you are using high-end phone, there higher chance you may see a 3D picture, but if you use a low-end phone, then Facebook will populate your feed with more images. Then the next thing very important for Facebook algorithm is the signal. Signal is basically the activity that we do while we are using Facebook. So what are the activities that we do? We can hover or above a photo. We can click on the like button. We can click on the share button. We can click on the report button. So if you notice on these photos, there are like, comment, save. There are several options there, share. So if you click any one of them, or if you don't click any one of them, everything is being noted by Facebook algorithm, and that is called the signal. So any of these things are considered to be signal. It is an indication to Facebook that you are going to take an action. Even if you're hovering, you're moving your mouse over a picture, that is called hover. That is also being noted by the Facebook algorithm from behind so that it understand what action you will take. Then there is a prediction. Third thing in the Facebook algorithm is prediction. Prediction is nothing but a futuristic action that you are going to take according to Facebook. So there could be two pictures coming on your feed. You would be liking one and you could dislike one, or you could be spending more time on one video than others. Suppose there are two videos coming to your pushed by Facebook to your profile. One is a football match highlight video, and one is a cooking video. So I may be a sports enthusiast, and I'll consume the football match video. So it will predict from next time onward that for me, sports videos are more important than cooking videos. So this will be noted down by the Facebook algorithm. And depending on your reaction, Facebook will categorize you and show you that kind of content on the regular basis. So from later on, you will be populated with football or sports content more than other contents from your friends or the promotions being done. So let us say an example. In your feed, you come across a picture of Ronaldo and Messi. Facebook will try to create a prediction where you would love Ronaldo or you like Messi. This is not just restricted to Ronaldo. It can be cats and dogs, memes, videos, blogs, many things. So this is a prediction that has been developed by Facebook to understand your future actions. And the fourth thing is the score. The score is nothing but the relationship score. Let us understand this concept with an example. I have two friends, Bezos and Gates. Bezos is a great friend of mine, while Gates is just a Facebook friend. So whenever Bezos upload pictures or stories, I get notification or I can see that in my feed very quickly. Whereas whenever Gates does a similar activities, it may not ever reach my feed. So this is exactly what a score is all about. There is a score that has been mapped against you and the various pages and profiles that you are connected. So suppose in any profile in Instagram or in Facebook, basically Instagram and Facebook works more or less similar, but we'll see the Instagram algorithm separately also. So what happens is in our profile, there can be hundreds of friends, but there may be few friends with whom we always chat, we always interact. So Facebook keeps a note that this may be more important friend for me, and someone else may be a less important friend of mine. So what it will do, it will show the content from the close friends more than the friends whom we have interacted least. So this is called the score, how we interact with a certain person on our profile. The higher you score, that means your content is going to be seen by more people. The lesser your score means your content will may not reach to more number of people. So user will see a particular brand's content more if the relationship is scored between the brand and the user is high. So you need to define the right kind of content strategy to target the right kind of audience with the right kind of format. The Facebook algorithms keeps on changing and you need to keep an eye on the updates. So what content we are putting in Facebook, that is also very important. So suppose for a particular brand, we are putting a particular photo, and for some photo, there are more reactions, more actions being taken by the users. So the more people interact with your content, the more your reach will be, the organic reach will be more if your content has more likes or more interactions with the user. So this is what is called the algorithm. So if we come back to the algorithm, what algorithm means, the order or the logic behind the success or the logic behind the sharing of contents by Facebook to our profiles. So there are four important parameters: the inventory, the content that we upload, the signal, that means how we react with whenever something is shown to us by Facebook, the prediction. Prediction means what we will like, what a user will like, and the score means how our contents are being accepted by the other people. So these are the four things very important, and for the higher the score, the more the reach will be. So let's keep it this much for today. And next time we'll be coming on with some more very important concepts behind Facebook. We'll see the Facebook profile versus the Facebook pages in the coming session. So thank you very much. This was all for today.